Hey there, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. My name is Emily and I talk about a lot of Salesforce stuff. Today we're going to be going over how to set holidays within Salesforce. This can be a very, very important thing for your business processes, your automations, all those things. Let's go ahead and go into an example of why these are so important. Let's talk about cases and case escalation rules. So let's say you have an internal case system of issues that may come up for your users. So let's say you had the VP of Finance message on Christmas Eve and say that something's not working, but it doesn't need to be fixed right away and they can get back to it when they're in the office. If you did not have a holiday and you had escalation rules set up, then their case would likely be escalated and someone might have to hop on work on Christmas, which would be really unfortunate. So let's go ahead and actually go into setup, and I will show you how to set up holidays. We'll specifically set up Christmas. Let's go ahead and type in holidays. You don't have to type the full word for it to pop up. I do have 4th of July's. I'm going to set up a new holiday. Have this be Christmas. It's going to be December 25th. All day. It's going to be a recurring holiday and it'll be for every year on the 25th. And it'll recur for the foreseeable future. All right, so this holiday has been created. One thing to help with our rules, our escalation rules, it would be useful to add this to business hours. So I'm going to add this to both our regular and our default business hours. So there you go. And with Christmas there, this should not, or it should pause any escalation rules that would happen if Christmas was not there. So if you had a workflow that, or excuse me, an escalation rule that made it so then if a case has not been at least answered in the first 8 hours to escalate it, it would not happen on Christmas. It would take a whole pause for Christmas and anything else specified by our business hours that have been set up for that escalation rule. So that is how you set up holidays and kind of how you add it to business hours. I do have a business hours video that I did a week ago, so be sure to check that out. And yeah, if you have any questions, please put them down below in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Again, that's also where you can put video ideas if you would like me to put a video out on a specific topic. Yeah, like, subscribe, all those fun things. Check out my courses down below, and I will catch you in the next one.